nothing else. Ain't nothing else.
It's officially Carb Day. We are out here at IMS where the checkered clothing, it's in full effect. All the fans are kicking off race weekend.
The DNR is expecting a record number of boaters on its waterway this Memorial Day weekend. Coming up, we'll have what you need to know to make sure you are safe on the waters.
And welcome into WRTV News at 6. It's Carb Day at Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
And that means business on the track and a party everywhere else.
Yeah, WRTV's Kaitlyn Kendall takes us into the fun and shows us everything happening tonight.
Well, today has been lots of fun, filled with thousands of race fans all excited to kickstart race weekend.
Welcome to Carb Day.
The month of May is everything.
Beer drinking and race.
Welcome to Carb Day.
The sights,
the weather's perfect, it's nice out.
And sounds of IMS.
This is my redneck, Joe Dirtay.
Are live.
It's an indie thing.
We're going to have some, our brewskis, have a good time, so let's give you a good time today.
It's Carb Day.
The party, the concert, the people.
There's no shortage of checkered clothing.
Stripes, red, white, and blue, checkered.
Plus fans sporting their favorite drivers.
Yeah, Carb.
For the drivers and their teams, it's the final tune-ups for race day.
We get to see the cars, see their practice laps, we get to see the pit stop.
Hanging out, being with friends, family.
For fans,
Bush Light.
it's a party. And how are you pacing yourself for today?
I'm good. I'm doing good.
You're pacing yourself all
We put a
right?
nipple on his bottle. He'll be okay.
From the oldest,
It's just the whole thrill of it all, the month of May.
It was the first date with my wife 20-some years ago, and so it just means a lot more than it's just not race cars on a track.
to the youngest.
Racing, watch the pit stop competition, watching the cars race.
For some,
I'm not going to lie, this is my first one.
and for others,
Probably over 30 years straight.
it's a chance for fans and race teams to get excited about race day.
The race.
Well, the concert is going on. It'll be going on until 7 o'clock tonight. Of course, race fans will be back here on Sunday. Out at IMS, Kaitlyn Kendall, WRTV.
I love it. Kaitlyn, thank you. And Carb Day isn't just for the fans. It marks the last practice before drivers before the Indy 500. WRTV sports anchor Brad Brown shows us what went down in practice and how drivers are feeling less than 48 hours before the greatest spectacle in racing. That is coming up in sports. Be sure to join us Sunday for breakfast at the Brickyard. WRTV will bring you the sights and sounds of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway from 6 a.m. to 7:30. Then we'll air the Formula One Monaco Grand Prix, and we'll bring you live coverage once again at IMS for brunch at the Brickyard. That's from 11 until noon, and it's all on WRTV.
You don't have to wait until Sunday to get into the racing spirit. The 500 Festival Parade is tomorrow in downtown Indy. You can see the bleachers already set up for it. The parade includes larger-than-life floats, marching bands, performances, celebrities, and even a flyover. All 33 Indy 500 drivers will also be part of the festivities. The parade starts on Pennsylvania Avenue, heads west on Washington Street, and then north on Meridian. Festivities begin at 11:45 and the parade starts at noon. Right now, a portion of Meridian Street downtown has been stripped down to some of rough terrain there just a day before that big parade. This impacts the right southbound lane of Meridian between 16th and 12th Streets. The Indianapolis Department of Public Works says they will strip patch the area overnight before tomorrow's parade.
And Kevin, this is a huge weekend to have some good weather. So will these nice sunny days continue through the weekend?
Folks learned today how important sunscreen is.
Oh, I'm sure.
We'll need it again tomorrow. Then there'll be a little change as we roll into race day. But Legends Day tomorrow, still partly to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures right around 80. The clouds will increase race day. We'll get more in depth on that and what it will mean. It will keep temperatures a little cooler, especially southeast of Indy, and then Memorial Day itself. Temperatures shoot up to